Alright. Feeling the tugging.
Rock hunters love that.
Yeah.
Any more nibble, guys?
Alright, fish on.
Fish on?
Yep.
Very good.
Alright, so far we have 12 kingfish. So we got like 20, we need like 30, total 30 kingfish.
Ooh, good. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Got
that's
2 right there.
13, 14, right?
Yep.
14. Good, that's nice size. One. Don't fly, don't fly. Okay. Ooh, everyone 22, 23. Wow.
23.
It's 6:50 now. We should be there a little bit around 7 plus or minus. No? Alright. Did I record that? I'm gonna put it on my YouTube. Alright. This interview. So how far are we now? We're about 3 to 5 miles. That's called Pigeon Point. It's a little bit south of Ana Nuevo. Yeah. Alright. Almost there, folks. Fish on. Fish on, fish on. Right. Awesome.
How about you? How do you feel about the trip?
The trip is scary. It's a lot of shock. Shockwave. But it's awesome. It's all worth it for fishing. Yeah, good for your soul. Yeah, it's good for your soul. Yeah. Know it. Know it. Fish on, baby. Woo! Oh. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, yeah. Alright, so this is my setup. My favorite setup. Halibut rig.
Yep, yep. Oh, fish on. Come on. Yeah, you gotta go. You gotta go? These lings aren't that big. I'm waiting for the big ones to pop up.
You have to get a very good size. That size right there. There you go. It's perfect size. Nice. There you go, and then you hook the other one by the pin. Adjust it. Just right there.
I got treble hook if you want to use a treble hook.
No, that's okay.
You got set up. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, come on, Lingcod. You know you like that light bait. Oh, there you go.
Sometimes it gets stuck in the rock. Okay. Okay, fish on.
Fish on?
Fish on?
Yep.
Yeah! Ah, came off. Oh, yeah, no! It wasn't that big anyway. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the fish I. It came off of mine, went on yours, dude. You gonna feel the big? Yeah.
Yep, fish on. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, fish on, baby.
Purifier. And then let's measure it afterwards.
Yeah, two.
Dolphin.
I'm trying right now. Huh? They swallow it all the way, man. This cop is not cheap, I think. Yeah, just barely kicked her. Fish on, baby. Yeah. 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 He's big right here. I'm gonna stick that thing there too. Yeah, this big one right here. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh shit.
Oh, nice one, nice one. That's what we came out here for. We're not. Okay. It's not really that big, but big enough, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Good job, Ernie. High five, huh? Now you the man.
Actually have something in here, dude.
Huh?
I have fish on, yeah.
Yeah. Feel the weight coming up. It's Lingcod. You feel it? Huh?
Yeah.
Next one, Ernie?
Yeah, keeper. I think a little bit small.
Oh yeah, let it go.
Yeah.
Man, what happened to the big one, dude?
Gotta let this thing go. Calm down.
Let him go,
Huh?
huh?
Come down. Come down, buddy. Come down, buddy. Have a good day.
Yeah, this is the biggest one yet. Oh, this is a good fight.
Probably cut the one that I had earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! This is over about 15 pounds.
Nice.
Big.
Come on, let me see it. Let me see it.
Be nice if it's a big barn door, man.
Show me the fish. Show me the fish.
Where is it?
It's coming. It's coming.
Oh man, you don't want to come up.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh my goodness, look at the ling, dude.
Whoa. Yeah.
He's barely hooked on, barely hooked on. Alright, good
Nice.
job. That's the
Yeah!
Woo.
hooked on, look at that. Look at
Oh yeah!
that. Look at that.
Triple hook!
Yeah, that's what we're after.
Alright, we're moving to a different spot. Only got I hook up with 3 Lingcod over there, and so far we haven't get any rock cod yet, and so hopefully to the other spot location we can land rock cod and rig cod for them to kill.
Yeah, I went a little bit more deeper. Huh?
Alright.
You guys okay? You okay? Yeah, sorry. What's so funny?
Nothing. Something hits my butt.
Alright, yep, you got double hook. Oh damn, he went to the rock.
Yeah, that's why as soon as you get him, you bring him up. You go right in that rock.
Yep, he went up. He went to the rock, then he went out. Yeah, that's what's up.
Can you get me the gap up there?
There's a gap.
It's right on top of you.
Right up here.
I can't believe how small these lings are.
Yeah, this is my my fourth Lingcod.
Oh crap, what happened? Oh man.
Got away?
Yeah, my fault.
Damn.
Why'd I do that? Okay.
That looks a pretty good size.
Yeah. The reason why I don't like to use the hair, don't twist and turn.
This Lingcod got away. Got it? Oh, I got nice Lingcod, rock cod.
Brown.
Yeah.
Brown. Yeah, don't use the fish, dude. That's what we came here for. That's what we came here for, dude.
Oh, he left it!
Oh, man. Bro.
He lost it!
That's a big, big ling, dude.
Damn!
I already seen this earlier.
Damn, dude.
That was a big fish.
That's might be a halibut, bro. You never know.
Usually halibut
Yeah.
This? What? I've never seen it that big before.
No, it's a lingcod. It's
Yeah.
Over 15-pound range. Yeah. Oh man, it's okay.
It's okay. I'm gonna get it again.
Yeah.
Nothing else on that. Yeah, it got me so excited. You're not fighting me. Take it down.
I told you.
Mag-explain ka ba? Go ahead, do explain. Explain. You have more information? Yeah, go.
I found that because it came up. There was something else. It wasn't stuck to the bottom.
It wasn't. It's just not
It
together.
was just heavy.
Take it down.
Yeah.
Next time, bro.
Ooh, rock on.
Oh, yeah, nice. You got rock cod. You got your other line?
Yeah, I got my other fishing line.
You got a good rock cod.
It's just a cannery, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that one is a nice part.
Yeah, dude.
Woo!
Good job, huh?
High five with that.
Yeah, if we catch like 10 of these, man.
Yep.
Alright, looks like the squid works really good right here.
Yeah, so this is the spot. Wow, look at that. Nice cut.
Alright, so right now we're done with we're on Lingcod and we're just getting our limit of rock cod. And that's Jeff right there. Fish on with his rock cod right there.
On, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Rock on. Oh, fish on right there, Ernie, look.
Oh yeah, fish on too. Fish on. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Wait. Wow. Wait. Fish on too. Fish on too. Yeah. Let's go. Get our limit. Yep. Get our limit.
That's 12, right?
The strip is good, man. Oh, there go canary. We're not allowed to keep canary now, right? Or one each, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Look at the tongue. Look at the tongue. Look at that. Alright, so when you put your you strip your squid like that. You just put your line all the way in the bottom and wait for the fish to bite. Just like that. Alright. Just wait for a while. And fish on. Yeah.
I haven't caught a nice red this year.
That's what I'm talking about.
What kind of rock cod is that? I forgot.
Grass? Is it grass? Look at a lot of food. A lot of baby anchovies, crab. Yeah, all buffet inside the mouth. See?
Three. Okay, that's like 23. And once we get near 30, let's stop and count. Ooh, look at this guy. Awesome.
Yeah. Go.
Oh, red. Yeah, that's what I'm after.
Yeah.
They get really big.
Oh yeah. Yeah, really big.
Awesome.
Nice day, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, Ernie. Open the cooler, dude. Quarter of rock cod there.
Then we're a fisherman today. That's what I'm talking about.
Over $500 worth.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that big red.
Oh yeah.
Nice one, bro.
Yeah.
It might be the big red. Might be the big red you're looking for. Oh crap. Oh, dude. Stuff.
This guy's been scanning me earlier. And it's rolled
Oh,
over.
mine's stuck, huh? Around your.
Huh.
Hold on.
This is pretty small red though.
Bring it in.
That's like really big.
Nice, that's nice. Yeah, that is a small red compared to the ones I
How
used
many
to
is
get.
this?
That's 26.
27?
Ooh, almost our limit already, huh?
20.
Oh, fish on. Fish on, fish on. You get off? It's a small one. Oh, Ling. My goodness. Oh, black, yeah. Nice black. Keep,
Damn, I just dropped
keep this
it,
guy.
dude.
Yeah. Look at this, huh?
Yeah, I just dropped this. God damn.
Woohoo!
Good job.
I'm in heaven!
Yeah, we're in heaven.
Back in the ocean, baby.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
I need Tylenol tonight.
We got to eat good tonight.
Woohoo! Man, I love this, the one I got right now.
A nice size?
No, the jig that I put on this.
Oh, big, huh?
Should I throw this? It's so small.
Yeah, throw that one away. Keep that one, yeah.
Yeah, nice one. Nice one, baby. I feel like I'm a professional fisherman right now.
A rock fisherman.
Yeah, you are. You are today, my friend.
30. You get 30 here.
Okay, I'll start counting after I catch one more. Huh?
This is good setup. Look at that. Looks like a real squid.
Yeah, that really entices it, man. Yeah. You can catch a halibut like that very easy.
Ooh, nice pull right there.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Ooh, quick hit like that. Oh man, it's like so many fish off the bottom, huh?
Yep. I like it. I just like. Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice one. Yeah,
Yep.
nice one, huh?
Yep. There's a lot right here, right now. Yeah, baby. This is what's up.
There we go. See the crab. One more and I found it, okay? This is so fun, huh?
There's a lot of small ones, so
Oh, let that one go.
like that.
This is the biggest for, like so
Got a
far.
big bait and a small fish, huh? Got a big appetite, huh?
Okay, I got a double hook, man. Can't go away with that. Yeah, go home.
Now if we can catch a salmon, that'll be great, huh?
Yep. What's up?
I realized I'm fishing. We got no more. What do you say about the fishing? What? What do you say about the fishing? Fish. Dude, I think the fish tastes good. I don't know. It's good. It's really yummy. I hook it and I cook it.